Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya Conrad Sangma mentakasi kesantarik ubenai leber arhajar apusan ula Pynbna ya ke Chief Minister's Scholarship Scheme kabadai ka program ka Thymmai ka ban ai jingmento ya ki prapo hajar ngut ki samla nado usnem mang tingka banwan Menteri Rangba ula ong bagani ka scheme ai Jingïarap badang shu Pynbna Thymmai kan ai Jingïarap Hinriu hajar shisnem syaki samla pule ki bedang beteng ya ka jing pule ka jongki hadin ka matrik kani kalong nalor ka scholarship ni ka baybam ba ai lingba ka sarkar pedeng bat ka baladon lupa uloong ba kani ka sinjam kan pinsting ya ka jingkit ka bakhya ha kalyang ka pisa tingka jongki samla pule ki bawat ya ki jing pule ki bakham shalor habaya deipat bat ka jing slem jongki Khynnah pule ka jilla banyo ya ka baybam ka bahap hapo ka post matric scholarship ka badai ka baybam jongki Khynnah pule ka bawan na ka sarkar pedeng Menteri Rangba uloong ba na kalyang ka sarkar jilla karadep banyakren ba ka sarkar pedeng ban pelat no ya kani ka baybam kham kloy.
Dear friends, I am happy to inform you that today in the budget session I have announced a new scheme which is meant especially for our young students. It is called the CM Scholarship Scheme. This scheme is in addition to the central scholarship that you are receiving right now. Through this scheme, we will be providing 6,000 rupees per annum to all students pursuing post-metric courses. I also would like to clarify that there have been certain delays in the post-metric scholarship which you receive from central government. The delay is mostly because of the delay from the central government side in releasing the funds. We are doing our best to persuade Government of India to release these funds on time so that you can get it. But I hope you understand that this is not fully in our hands. But we will do our best to make sure that in the future, the central scholarship that you are supposed to get should be released on time. But in addition to that, as I mentioned, this new scheme is being launched, which will give 6,000 rupees extra to all students pursuing post-metric courses. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.